In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get unlimited Google Drive storage. Easy Tutorial 2025. To get started, open Google Drive in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account because storage is tied to the account you're using. Once you're on the Drive homepage, look to the left side of the screen and click Storage. This view shows your current usage and what's taking up space, like large videos, photos, or files shared with you. It's a handy way to understand where your storage is going before you upgrade. On the storage page, find and click Get More Storage. This will take you to Google One, which is where Google offers its paid storage plans for Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos combined. When Google One opens, click See All Plans. This reveals the full list of plans available in your region, including monthly and annual options. From here, choose the plan that fits your needs. You'll typically see options that scale up to 2 terabytes for personal accounts. Pricing and availability can vary by country and taxes may apply. If you want to share storage with family members, look for plans that include family sharing. Some plans also come with extra perks like enhanced support or additional features in other Google services, which can add value if you're already in the Google ecosystem. Select your preferred plan, review the details, and complete the checkout. Once your payment is processed, the additional storage is applied to your account, and you'll see the new limit reflected back in Google Drive. A quick clarification on the title. For personal Google One accounts, there isn't a truly unlimited plan. The steps you just followed show the official way to upgrade your storage, and the highest widely available tier for individuals is typically 2 terabytes. If your needs go beyond that, certain business or enterprise offerings may provide larger or pooled storage, but those come with different eligibility requirements and pricing, and they're outside the scope of this tutorial. Before you upgrade, it can also be smart to tidy up. The storage page you visited can help you identify oversized files to remove and permanently deleting items from the trash-free space right away. That said, if your workflow consistently generates large files, upgrading through Google One is the most straightforward, reliable solution. That's it. Open Google Drive, go to Storage, click Get More Storage, hit See All Plans, and pick the plan that meets your needs. Thanks for watching and enjoy the extra space.